we're double YouTubing, and I got a squishy package today.
Well, we both did.
Yeah, please comment down below your challenges, and give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe. I'm group 2, and we are at the...
Lock-in.
Yeah, we're
It's
at
a sleepover
lock-in.
thingy.
I'm here with Squish X Squishy.
No, it's Squishy X Squish.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've been telling my YouTubers wrong. So
It's just weird,
I
like,
got only
talking.
2 today. Oops, I
got a
showed-
lot.
But I got 2 new ones today.
It's just weird talking to a camera when everybody's in here.
Whatever. So
So first one
I got this huge peach. It is so soft and so squishy. The other one
And then
is
this
kind
one's
of
kinda-
little.
it's
I was
defective.
hoping that
It's the thing.
it was a little bigger.
And then I got
It's
no
not. It's kind
cheese.
of hard all over. So I'd call this a squishy fail, kind of.
Pear. And yeah, that's Squishy.
But it's a little squishy. And then over here she's
This one's really
showing.
hard, but it's just weird.
Oh, just stuff it.
It's just like talking to a camera while people are in here.
This is way squishier than
I got
mine.
my squishy.
She has this one. Oh, that's my watch. Never mind that. It's my goal. It's my goal.
It's hard
to
when you like squish them all together.
Squishy Squish X to torture her. Stop! Where's my...
Yeah.
You know me, Cambry.
Yes, Elliot.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know you,
Cambry.
I'm done.
Me too.
I'm done.